Okay, so this is the Weasley project. It is heavily inspired by the Weasley clock from Harry Potter. So it's inspired in the sense that, for those of you who don't know, it gathers the information of the people you care about and tells you where they are. So in Harry Potter, they had a clock that did this, where the hands pointed to locations, and each hand represented a person. This is kind of like that. What I'm doing is grabbing information from Foursquare's API and displaying what they're doing and where they are. So this is one run on an Arduino Uno and an Ethernet shield, and so what it's doing, the Ethernet shield is connecting to the internet and grabbing this information, pulling it back, and rotating these accordingly, these little prisms. So if I press this button, it tells you what each person is doing. So Anthony, that's actually me. My last check-in was at a restaurant, and so that's completely accurate. Let's do this a few more times. Smell Shell is working on campus. Harold is chilling at a fun place. So as you might see and might notice, you might be questioning how am I getting these verbs like chilling and these locations like a fun place and stuff like that. So what I'm actually doing is, first of all, I'm reading from this website. So I built this. I'm leveraging Foursquare API, and this is actually the PHP code that is shown here. And so, I don't know where my mouse is. Here it is. Okay. So up top, those are the 8 Foursquare IDs that I'm using. You can see here that I am taking the venue categories that Foursquare gives you, and I'm kind of interpreting them how I see fit. So colleges and university becomes campuses, food becomes a restaurant, nightlife, sports spots, a bar, etc., etc. And so, like, arts and entertainment, as well as the great outdoors, they're both considered a fun place. I can focus that. Okay. And then each location has a default verb. So, drinking at a bar, eating at a restaurant, working at work, chilling at home, that sort of thing. So that's how I'm getting this, and then I'm reading it in through the Arduino code. I won't bother scrolling through this, and this is just my output to help me debug this. And so a little bit about the actual physical device. Each of these things, each of these plates, first of all, are removable. So this is if I want to customize it and add something else later if I'm unsatisfied with the choices I made. So if I wanted to change it, say I wanted to move to New York and put in things like Brooklyn instead of campus, and like uptown and downtown instead of all this ridiculous stuff I have now. Or if I wanted to manage 8 new friends, say I got some new friends. Each of these things are controlled via a continuous servo, continuous rotating servo. So it's a little inaccurate in the sense that all I'm doing is controlling how long it's running for. And this is just kind of a guesstimate based on what seems to look right, and it's pretty accurate. It's accurate up to, like, you know, a few, like 20 spins or something like that. And every so often I have to recalibrate it. But for a prototype, it's definitely there. So yeah, so this is my project. I hope you guys like it. In the future, I definitely plan on improving it, adding a front and back to it, and I don't know what else visually I'll do, but I'm sure I'll think of something. So yeah, hope you guys liked it.